Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Tropical Fruits. Today I want to show you a quick update of my collection, my now smaller collection. I sold a lot of plants and I brought some of them to the Dominican Republic. And yeah, but I have still some pretty rare plants here. My multi-grafted jaboticaba. I grafted this plant a year ago, so I want to give you a quick update of that plant. And yeah, a quick update of the other plants. Some of them are looking good, some of them aren't looking good because I don't have a lot of time due to my new job. But that's okay for me because the main plants or my rare plants or my plants I want to grow in the future I brought to the DR. So yeah, here I have still some rare ones, but not that rare. As I said, my multi-grafted jaboticaba. This plant or the rootstock is I think 4 years old. As you know, in Austria the plants are growing slower. So yeah, pretty small for 4 years. I know in the tropics this plant would be, I think, minimum a meter high, but yeah, Austria we have winter time, so I have to take my plants in and have them under artificial light so they grow slower, or the growth is getting stunned so they aren't growing. And yeah, on this plant, as I said, rootstock is a Savara rootstock, and I grafted 8 varieties on it. From the 8 varieties are still 7 growing. I grafted them at once, so yeah, pretty cool. Here the watermelon with new growth, the red giant or giant red crystal has also new growth. So the cool thing on this plant is it's growing in different stages. So this is, for example, Oriana unesp. Here I have Oriana the watermelon, and this little guy here is Rondonia. So pretty rare species on this plant. And yeah, as I said, it's 1 year old. I transplanted this a month ago and it's responding with new growth. So yeah, pretty happy, pretty cool plant. Yeah, so here I have some of my Musearias, which I haven't brought to the DR now, but I have still a astringent piece here, a blue guequeya, a Glacia aviana, a pastora. Here I have some plinias, Coronata de Diavolo, pretty rare, jaboticaba. What's this? A Mucuri, Plinia sp. Mucuri, also pretty rare. Then I have here my Ornamentals. This is a philodendron hybrid. I think it's called Brown Beauty, also pretty rare as this one. Here I have some orchids, also in flower. This is a Mastevalia, also very nice orchid. More orchids, different orchids. Oh, another one in flower, pretty cool. Oh, there are new flowers also coming. Variegated palm, also pretty rare, pretty nice. Yeah, variegated Monstera, Thai constellation legacy. Some Samiflorias variegated also. Philodendron, I don't know, also pretty rare. I have to look in my writings. Yeah, another variegated Philodendron, Monstera, a fern, staghorn fern, pretty cool. Other variegated Monstera, this should be a mint. Yeah, then I have more fruit trees down here. These are still trees I want to bring to the DR. Some rare plinias and some rare eugenias. And of course we have flowering mulberries in the house, 2 varieties. This one is a variegated one, but it lost its variegation due to bringing in inside the house and lack of sun. So I hope next year when I'm bringing it out, the variegation returns. And this is the famous chicken leg mulberry, very rare. And yeah, also trying to fruit inside the house, so pretty cool. There I have my ananas, grafted, of course, grafted by myself. This is a Atemoya, the 4712. It's a red fleshed or red skinned Atemoya, and this is the African Pride, also grafted. Then I have some adeniums, the desert roses, variegated cactus, pretty cool. Yeah, and these are, the most of them are eugenias. It's a little micro-grafted variegated jaboticaba. This plant is now 2 years old. I wouldn't recommend to micrograft jaboticabas because they get stunned quite a lot. So they won't grow the first year, maybe 1 leaf or 2 leaf. The second year, that's the second year growth. So I hope next year it will grow faster. Here I have a pretty rare eugenia anomala from the Cerrado region. One of my most favorite plants. The leaves are looking pretty good. What I heard, the fruit should be also pretty good, but it's very hard to grow. It's one of my hardest plants to grow. It's like this one, Eugenia glochatiana. This plant is 2 years old. Maybe I should uppot it so it has more space for the roots. Let's see, maybe we make a uppot video. Yeah, Eugenia sulcata, pretty leaves. When it's flowering, the whole bush will be covered in flowers. So pretty ornamental eugenia. Not famous for its fruits because they are pretty small, but for its growth. Then I have here a yellow fruiting grumichama. Here in the bag I have the red fruiting grumichama, Eugenia candoleana. This one is Plinia edulis, but there is a new hybrid they found a new species of Plinia edulis. This should be the giant fruit one, so yeah, pretty cool. Then I have some Garcinias like Garcinia lux and others are back there, Achachairu also. Here I have, let me see, I hope you can see it, sorry, a variegated Acerol cherry, also pretty nice plant. Back there is a Plinia clausa and a giant mulchi, which the old leaves are burned and the new growth is okay. And yeah, two other eugenias I'm pretty proud of are, this one is from Portugal, from Miguel. It's the Perinha do Cerrado, pretty rare one. The pear-shaped eugenia. And then I have Copacabanensis, also pretty rare one. But yeah, also pretty hard to grow, so yeah. Yeah, and that's the quick update on my still big collection or small collection. I don't know how to call it. So that's the short update on my plants. As I said, quick walkthrough. If you want to see more of the fruit part or fruit tree part or more the ornamental stuff, please write it in the comments. So I will make a specific video only on that part which you guys want, and I will for sure make a potting video where I show you the roots, how they grow. I will tell you again which soil mix I use, and I also have to uppot some of my my ornamental plants or orchids. So yeah, I will make some more videos now in the coming days. I hope you enjoyed it as I did. Thanks to all you guys which stayed, subscribe to my channel. If you are new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Maybe let me a like on the video, and we will see us in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.